In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to optimize your site for mobile use. Whether you're a seasoned Wix user or just starting out, these steps will guide you in making your site look polished and professional on mobile devices. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix setup page on manage.wix.com. If you're not familiar, the setup page is where all the basic settings of your Wix site reside. It's like the control center where you begin all modifications and adjustments to your website. By accessing this page, you ensure a smooth start to all your upcoming editing tasks. Next, on this setup page, locate and click on the mobile version icon. This icon is a crucial feature that allows you to switch from editing the desktop version of your site to the mobile version. Mobile responsiveness is incredibly important today, as most users access websites on their phones. By clicking the mobile version, you can see how your site currently appears on a smaller screen and identify any immediate adjustments that might be needed. After switching to the mobile view, you'll see the option to add elements specifically to the mobile version. Click on Add to Mobile. This function allows you to integrate mobile-friendly features that enhance user experience. It's essential because certain elements might look great on desktop but require tweaking on mobile to maintain their impact. Now, to keep your site's branding consistent, you'll want to add heading elements. Click on Add Heading 1. Headings are not just vital for structuring your content, but also play a key role in SEO, helping search engines understand the hierarchy and important parts of your page. Continuing on, select Text from the menu. Text settings let you adjust everything from font style to size, ensuring that your message is legible and looks great on smaller screens. Don't underestimate the power of clear, well-positioned text, as it significantly affects user experience. Once you've added text, click on Edit Text. This option allows you to customize the content you wish to display. You might want to think about making your content concise, as mobile screens don't have as much real estate as desktops. Keeping your text to the point also helps hold your audience's attention. Now, it's time to personalize your site with unique branding. Type branded mobile into the text field. This step is all about consistency. Ensure that your brand's voice and style shine through so anyone who visits your site immediately recognizes the connection with your brand identity. Finally, don't forget to save your work. By clicking save, your changes will be locked in, ensuring they reflect on both the desktop and mobile versions whenever someone visits your site. Regularly saving your work after every significant change helps maintain your workflow and prevents any loss of data. By following these steps, you've now optimized your Wix site for mobile use, creating a seamless and professional experience for all your users. Thank you for joining me, and happy editing!